Hi there guys, Richard here again from the Leather Repair Company. This is the antibacterial spray from our saddle care range. This particular product is designed specifically for saddles and tack equipment. Basically it does what it says, it's an antibacterial. So obviously once you've cleaned the surfaces of your saddle, removed any mold that could be on there, given them a good deep clean with the saddle tack cleaner, the saddle soap cleaner, and then obviously once you're going to do that, you would then use the antibacterial to clean over the surface, and that is going to kill, as it clearly says, all bacteria that is growing and living on the surface of the saddle. It is a completely safe product to be around with horses and animals. It is perfectly safe for all of your saddling equipment, for your riding boots and saddle gear and tack equipment. It's a simple spray on method, and gently wipe over the surface with a bamboo towel or a bamboo pad. Just wipe over the surface, spray it on and wipe over the surface with the antibacterial spray, and then just leave to naturally dry. That is the antibacterial spray from the saddle care range at the Leather Repair Company. For further details, head on over to the website to buy yours today, leatherrepaircompany.com.